जो सब सेक्शन 1 ऑफ सेक्शन 10 था उसमें था कि एनी पर्सन और पर्सन्स इन्वॉल्व्ड will be liable to a punishment not less than 3 to 5 years and a fine up to 10 lakh. आज ये जो अमेंडमेंट लाया जा रहा है इसके तहत the same duration of imprisonment has been made not less than 5 to 10 years and fine up to 50 lakh. The section 2 of subsection 2 of section 10 इसमें था कि सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. Now who is service provider? Service provider also we have tried to cover a wide range so that nobody goes scot-free. I'll just read out the definition of service provider which has been provided in this amendment. Service provider means any agency, any organization, any body, any association of persons, any business entity, any company, any partnership or single proprietorship firm, including its associates, subcontractors and provider of support of any computer resource or any material by whatever name it may be called, which is engaged by the Public Examination Authority for the conduct of public examination. तो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के लिए सजा पहले भी काफ़ी मजबूत थी. देयर वाज फाइन अप टू 1 करोड़ इन दी 24 एक्ट, उसको बढ़ा करके अब 5 करोड़ किया जा रहा है. इसके साथ साथ द रिकवरी ऑफ द प्रोपोर्शनल कॉस्ट ऑफ एग्जाम, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कि 2024 के कानून में ये भी लिखित था कि द प्रोवाइडर विल बी बार्ड फ्रॉम कंडक्टिंग एनी एग्जाम फॉर द नेक्स्ट 4 years. उस अवधि को बढ़ा करके आज इस संशोधन के तहत 8 साल किया जा रहा है. सो एनी सर्विस प्रोवाइडर found guilty of indulging in any kind of misappropriation or malpractice which has resulted in such consequences will be debarred from conducting an exam for the next or the subsequent 8 years. इसी तरह subsection 3 of section 10, डायरेक्टर और सीनियर मैनेजमेंट जो उसके इंचार्ज होंगे, even they will not be spared. कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कानून में कि जो इमीडिएट हैंडलर है उसको पनिशमेंट हो जाती है. So this act seeks to include all involved directly, indirectly, one way or the other, so that it sets a deterrent example also for others. So senior direct management persons or director के लिए the imprisonment was 3 to 10 years in the earlier act. We are increasing it to 5 to 10 years, and the fine was up to 1 crore. It has been increased to 5 crore. And finally, the organized crime committers, where there is a mafia gang found, there is a nexus found, as we have experienced. I am not accusing any government, not finding fault. As I said right in the beginning, it is a malaise, it is an issue which is being faced by almost every state and UT of this country, regardless of whichever party in power. It is happening in Punjab, it is happening in Karnataka also, whether we name those states or not. So organized crime, that is examination authority or service provider institution, whatever, in that case the imprisonment earlier was 5 to 10 years. It's been increased to 7 to 10 years, and the fine was earlier up to 1 crore. It is now proposed to be increased to 10 crore. और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात जिसका प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वीडियो के माध्यम से जिक्र भी किया, to ensure speedy justice, we will have special fast-track courts established only for the cases dealing with unfair means in examinations.